Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can send money on Cash App with credit card. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. First thing first, you have to log in into your Cash App account, and then on the home page you have to enter the amount that you want to send. And once you're done entering the amount, tap on Pay, which is right at the bottom. And as you tap on Pay, next interface you have to enter the recipient's address. So that includes entering the name, cash tag or email address. And once you're done entering the information, you can see right on top there is an option as cash balance. So then you have to tap on it, and as you tap on it, there's a drop down menu. So from there you have to tap on credit card in case if you want to send it through your credit card. So all you have to do is just tap on it, and as you can see right on top, the credit card has been selected. Now all you have to do is just tap on Pay in the top right corner, and then you have to verify your identity. That includes entering your passcode. And once you're done entering all of the information, and then you have successfully sent or transferred money from your Cash App. So that is how you can do it. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.